was like, hey, don't pull any dependencies from the wild, right? Like everything should be pulled in from our artifact repository. It's a difficult one, right? Because then developers are like, wow, it's a lot of work. But yes, you got to balance it with security. I mean, if you're just going and grabbing any package from wherever source without having vetted them, then you could be getting into trouble. So yeah, and again, it could be it's one of those things where if you're a small company, it's a lot of work for you. Like I'm setting up an artifact repository and all that kind of stuff. It's a lot of work, but we have worked with small companies that have done that successfully. Jared, one client you and I worked on comes to mind. They're a very small client, but they still have they were using Nexus as an artifact repository, and it worked really well for them. But it's also important to note that just because you use a artifact repository and you're not pulling packages from wherever you want, that doesn't solve your problem. You should do some vetting or security analysis, right? So just because you moved it from the internet to your artifact repository doesn't automatically give you that additional security.